Hello all, hope you are doing good. Today we are going to see how to launch a flow from a quick action. So for this, we are going to take this as a use case, like user should be able to update the status from the account from the quick action. So I'm going to add a quick action in the account layout where user can just click on that option quick action so that the account status will be updated automatically in the background. So let's see how can we do that. All right, I have logged into Salesforce, and here we are planning to add a new quick action here. So upon clicking this quick action, I'm planning to change the status field, this field, to active. So that's what we are going to do. And like it should be this quick action should call the flow to do this requirement. I'm in the flow page and I'm going to create a new flow. So for this we have to choose screen flow. I'll say why we have to choose the screen flow later on, but yes, for this we are choosing the screen flow, and we need not to get or anything, just we can directly update the record. So I'm just using the update record element and labeling it as update account status, and I'm using the condition for the account. The condition should be on the ID. So here I'm gonna create a new resource. So variable, say record ID, and should be the text, and you have to select flow.current record ID to pass the current record ID, and it should be available for input. It's done, and the field that we are going to change is the status field, and the value should be active. I think that is it. Let us connect this, save, and activate. Okay, this is done. So here I'm going to add a new quick action. So go to the account object and create new action. So here, if you see, there are multiple options over there. So we are going to choose flow, but if you see, there are so many options: lightning component, you can directly update a record. There is a custom visual force page, you can directly call it. So there are different options you can use based on your requirement. For now, we are going to use flow. And if you see, it is auto-populated, whatever we have created. So you remember I was saying to use the screen flow. So only the screen flow will be available for a new action. If you see here, we do have these many auto launch flow, but nothing populates automatically. So only the screen flow will be available over here, and we can label this as status, done, save it. Cool. Action is done, and we have to add this in the layout. I'm going to add this in account layout, but we can use dynamic forms to do that, but I'm going with the old way. Have added this. That's done. Let us quickly check. The quick action is added over here. Cool, it's added. Let's check our field. It's blank, status is blank here. I'm gonna use this quick action. So it says your flow finished. Our field should be updated to active. Let us check. Cool. So it is active now. So yeah, you can use a flow to do this kind of action, especially when you're having some custom object where you just wanted to change few fields by clicking a button or something like. Especially for us, we do have our custom object where we are having 100+ fields in our page layout, and we are using our custom buttons to do that. But for that, users have to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and they have to see the button and they have to select it. But with this quick action, just it is available on the top, and it's just a single click. So that is it, guys. So that's all I wanted to share in this video. Maybe you guys can try this. Maybe you would have done that earlier, but I just noticed that this one like last week, and I wanted to share it with you. But yeah, if you have any questions or any other suggestions to make a new video in like more topics, or if you have any requirements, just let me know. Let us learn together. And till then, stay in home and stay safe. Bye bye.